Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a pair of ASCIS Onitsuka Tiger men's shoes. This one is size 8.5, HN201, white, brown, and then a yellow color. My son put in an offer, and then for $11. And then there's a $7.93 for the shipping fee. So the total damage for this shoes, this one's a used pair though, $18.93. So let's go ahead and then unbox this and see what we got. I think he said I need to clean these shoes for him later on. So let's go ahead and then unbox this. So the outsole on the front looks pretty good, but not right here toward the back. It's kind of worn out right here. You got the tiger right here. On the back, it's a yellow suede right here, and right here is like a beige. Also, you got the suede right here by the ice stay right there, around the toe box at the tip of the toe. They said the brand new one costs about like $70, so it's worn out right here as well. The insole is kind of dirty, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.